condensation, doesn't it happen every year? Condensation can occur throughout the house. Spaces with a lot of moisture, like verandas and utility rooms, are especially vulnerable and can easily develop mold as well. Condensation occurs when indoor humidity, temperature differences, and lack of ventilation all come together. Paints that only cover the surface can't control moisture, so they have limitations in reducing condensation. Introducing iLUX Condensation Stop Diatomaceous Earth Paint, which absorbs the moisture, the main cause of condensation, and naturally releases it into the air, helping to reduce condensation and suppress mold growth on the paint film. Condensation Stop Diatomaceous Earth is highly rated for its easy application and proven results. Shall we take a closer look at its features? Diatomaceous earth, with its fine porous structure, absorbs moisture from the air and naturally releases it, creating an environment on the paint film where mold has difficulty growing. That's why using diatomaceous earth paint helps keep your walls comfortable and pleasant. iLUX Condensation Stop Diatomaceous Earth offers moisture control, low toxicity design, antibacterial protection on the paint film, completed fire resistance tests, easy DIY application, eco-friendly certification, and even uses a naturally recyclable package. Now, shall we learn how to apply it? First, thoroughly remove any mold and foreign substances, and once the wall is completely dry, use a brush or roller to apply 2 to 3 coats. Be sure to remove all mold before painting. Avoid application when the temperature is below 5 degrees Celsius, when it is raining, or on days with high humidity. Create a space free from condensation and mold. Start with iLUX Condensation Stop Diatomaceous Earth.